Something's up, she wants me to come in. What's up?
This happened! Where are all the buttons? Oh, it's right in here!
Morning from Värmland. Today we're packing up and driving back home again. We're doing some stops on the way, but first we need to start get packing. It's quite a bit to drive. Now we need to get the kids out of their pyjamases. Will you do as Daddy tell you? They will not do as Daddy says. They have never done as Daddy says.
Good morning.
Very good. Oh yeah. Me and Dad are just figuring out how to rebuild the roof on the summer house. And for this we're using Google SketchUp. Check all the angles of the house, where to place the construction under the roof. You might have seen this house before, it was in one of the videos I make. Put a link up in the description. The sister, if you remember from yesterday, here she is. What's up, sister?
Yo, bro.
Yo. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Eating.
Just chilling. Killing.
Nice. She doesn't live here anymore, obviously.
She lives in the phone.
Gonna be honest with you, I'm starving really bad right now. If I don't get food in like 30 seconds, I'm gonna die. So William just constructed his first ever car with Lego. You wanna show them? Show us the car.
It's a bus.
Wow, really nice bus. Hey kids, where are you? This is what I have to live with. So if I do like this. Oh my. There you are. I don't have any part in this. They like go crazy all the time. What can I do about it? I try to keep them calm as much as I can. So the plan is first some coffee, put all the bags in the car and get out of here. Packing time. All of this in the car. So much stuff. The car is already full, that's a problem. The most essential part here is not to forget 1, the iPads, because the kids will kill me. And 2, the roller skis. Because if I don't have them, there will be no Vasaloppet. I think that's it. Is it the one?
Yeah,
The broken?
it's burned.
Yeah. What kind is it? 15. Do we have a 15 spare? We're just about to leave here, but we blow a fuse so we can't charge anything in the car. And I kind of have a lot of electronics with me, so that's not a good thing. But my brother is here to save us. Are we good to go?
Yeah, you're online.
Great job, man. Let's get out of here. So we're done here in the Värmland forest. Time to go home. And my dad and brother would like to say goodbye, of course.
Bye. Bye.
That's all you have to say?
Bye. Bye.
You don't want to tell the viewers to f off again, Dad?
No.
Good. Also, there's Mom.
Bye-bye.
So we're just about to leave, and the first stop is Örebro. City a bit...
Wrong.
No?
My mother's place. To see I forgot my shoes.
Okay.
Correction.
We're just about to pick up Lynn's shoes, and then we're going to Örebro.
Yes.
Okay. Getting the shoes?
Yes.
Alright.
Where are all the buttons? Oh, it's right in here.
Why? Why are they in there?
I don't know. I'm too strong, I think.
You pushed in the entire...
Yeah, pushed in.
That's a problem.
That's a problem, yes.
So today's episode name is She Destroyed the Dishwasher. Look at me for a thumbnail photo. But we don't have time to fix it, so... Because you have to like unscrew this entire part here, I think. She's gonna be so pissed when she finds out your mother. Thank God she ain't here. Mom accidentally destroyed the dishwasher for her mother.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's right.
I fixed the lamp though. In the bathroom it was broken and I fixed that.
Maybe she can use the light you fixed in the dishwasher to figure out why you broke it.
Yes.
Let's get out of here. You know where we are now, William? Yeah, the big mushroom. We are now in Örebro. It's time to check out what we call the big mushroom. In Sweden it's the big swamp. That would be like swamp. But it is right here. Because there is a cafeteria upstairs and we're going to check it out. I really look good with this mushroom. Whee! Are you ready? Whoa! It's so fast!
Yes, hey there.
The view is kind of awesome though. So we're just chilling with the kids, drinking some coffee here. This is kind of the way of the multitasking father. Editing videos, keeping track of both the kids. I just put some sugar in them. They're gonna go crazy in like a few minutes. Yeah, it's happening. The sugar is kicking in. We are done with this mushroom. Gonna check out the playground and then it's car travel time. That is just about enough of this playground. Time to go back to the car because it's really cold. There you are.
Hey. Hey. Hello.
Okay, so
It was my drug.
just a little Coca-Cola.
Just a little. Just a little.
It's been a long day. All that's
Yes.
left now is to go and get some food.
Are they hungry?
Usually go to this place right here. If you wonder why, check out the link in the card, whatever. And then we drive home. So let's end the vlog right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Behind these walls used to be a very big dam. But like 100 years ago, they got greedy and had too much water in the dam. The dam collapsed with a catastrophic result and everything was washed away. So that part over there, right here, from here and over is missing. There's nothing left. Because the forces of nature can be brutal sometimes.